Today, we will explore customer segmentation and geodemographics, which are crucial for business success. We will learn how to understand customers better by combining spatial information with their behavioral insights. Let us delve into the power of spatial data and how it can significantly benefit businesses. This data helps us unlock deep insights into customer behavior, leading to smarter decisions. First, spatial data allows us to optimize our business strategies effectively. This ensures that we fulfill customer needs in the most impactful and efficient ways. Next, it enables precise segmentation of our customer base. This helps us create highly targeted groups for more personalized marketing efforts. Then, spatial data supports the development of location-based strategies. We can create very relevant and localized campaigns specific to different areas. Finally, it significantly improves our overall operational efficiency. This helps us allocate business resources much more effectively, reducing waste. In this section, we focus on understanding customer behavior, a key to market success. This refers to all the actions and decisions customers make during market interactions. Let's start by looking at buying habits, a fundamental aspect of customer behavior. These include understanding when, where, and how customers decide to make their purchases. We also consider their purchase frequency and the various channels they use. Next, we examine shopping preferences, which reveal what customers truly favor. This includes the specific types of products or services that customers prefer. It also covers the particular brands or features they consistently choose. Another important aspect is brand loyalty, showing a customer's commitment. This is the tendency for customers to consistently prefer a particular brand over others. It also refers to repeat purchases made from the same provider over time. Finally, we consider the decision factors that influence customer choices. These influences include aspects like price, convenience, and perceived product quality. Understanding these factors helps us learn how customers choose among various options. We will now explore the key types of spatial data that are essential for customer analysis. These data types form the foundational elements for understanding customer behavior. First, we have demographic data, providing insights into population characteristics. This includes characteristics such as age, income levels, and educational background. Next, behavioral data captures how customers interact with our business. This data includes their purchase history, visit frequency, and responses to campaigns. Then, transactional data provides specifics about individual purchases. This tracks specific items bought and the overall purchase volume by customers. Lastly, foot traffic data reveals the movement patterns of people. This tracks the movement of people around various physical business locations. Let us examine various market segmentation approaches used to divide markets. These strategies help businesses develop targeted approaches for different customer groups. First, we have demographic segmentation, which is based on population statistics. This approach segments customers based on factors like their age, income, or gender. These are easily measurable statistics that provide a clear profile of customers. Next, psychographic segmentation focuses on internal customer traits. This considers aspects such as lifestyle, core values, and personal interests. These are the psychological aspects that drive consumer decision-making and preferences. Finally, purchasing behavior segmentation looks at actual buying patterns. This segments customers based on their purchase frequency, volume, and brand loyalty. It focuses directly on the actual buying patterns and habits of consumers. We will now look at how GIS tools assist in comprehensive customer analysis. These tools leverage geographic information to provide valuable business insights. First, heat maps are powerful GIS tools for visualization. They visually represent the intensity of various customer behaviors across an area. Heat maps are excellent for identifying high concentration areas of activity. Next, clustering analysis helps group similar customers together. This technique groups similar customers geographically based on shared characteristics. It effectively reveals areas where customer concentrations are highest. Then, buffer analysis creates specific zones around locations. This tool creates defined zones around key business or customer locations. It helps assess accessibility and proximity to points of interest. Lastly, spatial interpolation allows us to predict unknown values. This method predicts customer behavior in areas where we lack direct samples. It helps in estimating trends and potential behaviors in new or unexplored regions. Let us discuss the many benefits of incorporating spatial data into our strategies. These benefits are instrumental in driving business growth and overall efficiency. With improved targeting, we can reach the right customers. This allows for localized messaging based on specific regional customer patterns. Efficient store placement is another significant advantage. It guides data-driven decisions for selecting optimal new store locations. Enhanced product development helps us meet customer needs. We can optimize our offerings based on local preferences and demands. Finally, optimized marketing campaigns lead to better results. This enables hyper-targeted ads for very specific customer segments. We will now explore common spatial clustering techniques for customer analysis. These methods help group customers based on their distinct geographic patterns. K-means clustering is a popular method for grouping data points. It partitions customers into K clusters based on their geographic proximity. DBSCAN is a density-based spatial clustering algorithm. It groups dense points using epsilon and min-PTS, also identifying noise. Hierarchical clustering builds a tree-like structure of clusters. This method builds a tree-like structure by continuously merging or splitting clusters. Moran's I is a statistic used to measure spatial autocorrelation. It measures spatial autocorrelation, indicating whether similar values are clustered. Let's now walk through how to create geodemographic profiles. This hands-on guide will help you apply these concepts to business marketing. The first major task is to import and then prepare your data. Under this, the first step is to obtain and then import the necessary data. You will gather demographic, geographic, and also behavioral data. Then, import this collected data into GIS software like QGIS or ArcGIS. The next major step is to accurately join all of your data layers. This means associating demographic data with specific geographic regions. You can use common fields such as postal code to link these data sets. Our second main task is to effectively visualize all of your data. The first step here is to create and then style your maps for clarity. You should add base maps to provide essential geographical context. Then, use choropleth or heat maps for clear and effective visualization. The next step is to analyze the identified trends and specific zones. This involves identifying areas with specific demographic characteristics. You should also create buffer zones around your key business locations. The third task involves defining and then mapping your customer segments. Under this, the first step is to accurately segment your consumers. You will apply various clustering techniques like K-means or DBSCAN. Then, the next step is to map out customer preferences and their behavior. Integrate transaction history and customer loyalty data into your maps. You should also conduct spatial autocorrelation analysis to find patterns. Our final task is to use these valuable insights for your strategy. The first step is to launch well-targeted marketing campaigns. This means designing hyperlocal marketing efforts for specific areas. You can also create personalized offers tailored to each segment. The next step is to optimize your overall business operations. This helps identify the optimal placements for new stores or services. You can also enhance your existing customer retention strategies. Let us summarize the key aspects of strategic marketing using spatial data. First, we can effectively identify our specific target markets. Next, we are able to accurately map various consumer preferences. Then, we can fully utilize these marketing insights for better decisions. We can also optimize the placement of our stores for maximum impact. Finally, spatial data helps us greatly enhance customer retention efforts. Let's review a retail business case study to see these concepts in action. This example demonstrates applying geodemographics for market expansion strategies. First, consider the scenario faced by this retail chain. A national retail chain was seeking to expand its market presence. It needed to understand regional consumer preferences for effective growth. Now, let's look at the steps taken by the company. They gathered extensive demographic and customer purchasing data. The company used GIS for both heat maps and choropleth maps. This analysis helped identify underserved markets with high customer demand. Finally, let's examine the positive outcome of their efforts. The chain successfully opened new stores in high-demand geographic areas. They also tailored product offerings to match local customer preferences. This strategy significantly increased both foot traffic and overall sales. To conclude, let's review the key takeaways from our discussion today. These are the most important points to remember about this topic. Spatial data provides exceptionally deep insights into various customer behaviors. Customer behavior includes buying habits, shopping preferences, and brand loyalty. GIS tools are essential for visualizing and analyzing geographic data effectively. Market segmentation uses demographics, psychographics, and purchasing behavior insights. Spatial clustering techniques help identify geographic patterns within customer data. Geodemographic profiling significantly refines both marketing and operational strategies.